Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to check your YouTube subscribers on iPhone or tablet. So let's get started. Launch any browser on your device, then on search bar enter youtube.com and go to YouTube. And then you should request to desktop site. So if you use Safari browser, you should tap on AA at the top left corner or at the bottom left corner on AA and tap on request to desktop site. On Chrome browser, you should tap on three little dots at the bottom right corner, scroll down and you will see a request desktop site here. Just tap on it, and here as you can see we requested YouTube to desktop site. You just zoom this page and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner, and of course you should log into your YouTube channel where you want to check your subscribers. Then tap on YouTube Studio, and here you will see recently subscribers. Just tap on see all. Here is your subscriber. You just tap on this arrow little and you can see check all your subscribers. If someone your subscriber hide his subscription, that means you not see this person on your list because he hide his subscription on YouTube. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.